Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Popular labels include Cointreau, Combier, Pierre Ferrand Curaçao, and Grand Marnier. Swanson likes to use Cointreau in her margaritas because it's made with bitter orange peels, so she finds it drier than many brands of triple sec, and considerably less sweet than brandy-based Grand Marnier, she says.
Take our lead.
D'Angelo says that liqueurs, which are simply distilled spirits that are flavored with herbs, fruits, creams, and spices, things like Baileys, Aperol, and Cointreau, have pretty long shelf lives when they remain unopened. He recommends consuming liqueurs within 3 to 4 months of opening.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.